Hi, I'm Apurva Sheth and I welcome you to my last edition of Fast Profits Daily. Yes, you heard that right. This is going to be the last video that I record for Fast Profits Daily at Equity Master. Now, after completing 6 years of my journey with Equity Master, I have decided to move on and take up another project. Now, I consider myself fortunate enough to have got this opportunity to write to you, to record videos for you, to meet you at the conferences. I consider myself very fortunate and I'm happy that I got this opportunity to interact with you on so many platforms and on so many occasions. Now, one thing that I am very proud of working at Equity Master is that my interest and our company's interest were always aligned with your interest. Whatever we did was always kept with your interest in mind first. And that's the reason why I believe that we are so successful, and especially with regards to me, I consider myself fortunate because of this very simple reason that I have always kept your interest in mind first. I have had the blessings and I have been showered with so much of love and affection from our readers and our viewers and people whom we have met at the conferences. So I would like to thank you for whatever all the love that you have showed so far in my journey of the last 6 years. Now, one thing that I have learned at Equity Master is never to be afraid of taking bold decisions and bold calls, never to be afraid of taking a contrarian stand and thinking out of the box. I think this is one skill which I will cherish and which will not just help me in markets but also in life. The great opportunities, big opportunities are always there where nobody is looking at. So this is one thing that I have learned at Equity Master, and I'm sure that this particular quality stays with Equity Master, with all the analysts, and it will help you as well. Now, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all my colleagues, starting with our CEO Rahul Goyal. He's been an absolute support in whatever things I have done so far. With his guidance, I have grown and excelled so much in this company and in my career as well. Apart from him, there's Rahul, Richa, Tanushree, all the editors and all the other analysts and editors at Equity Master have been great support. And last but not the least, Vijay. He's an absolute treasure chest of knowledge and information when it comes to trading and investments. So whatever comes from him, grab it as much as possible, and I'm sure that you would be extremely knowledgeable after listening to him. And apart from that, I'm very sure that all the insights that he shares will also help you navigate the markets. So don't miss it. Now, I'm sure that you may be wondering what happens to Fast Profits Daily and the product which I run along with Vijay, that's Fast Profits Report. So I want to rest assure you that don't worry, all those things will continue. Those things have been taken care of, and we have found an extremely talented guy whom I have been knowing for quite a long time, and he is a absolute genius. So, and I think that probably some of you may have also known him. You may have heard him on television and even in social media. So just wait and watch out for him with patience. He'll be talking to you soon, so you won't miss anything. I hope that you do miss me, but I'm certain that you won't. Now, it's a very small world, and I'm sure that our paths will cross once again very soon. So until that happens, it's me, Apurva Sheth, signing off for one last time. Thanks a lot for watching me, listening to me, to read my views and share your feedback. It's been an absolute honor and a great learning for me as well. So thanks a lot, and have a very nice Diwali and a prosperous new year. Have a great trading and investment life ahead. I wish that you make great profits along with Equity Master. So thanks a lot and have a nice day.